So let's review another 2025 brand new release. We got Bad Boy Elixir. So this is just straight up Bad Boy Elixir, no other words or a subline within Bad Boy. It's just the original. This is their Elixir version. Previously, I did review the brand new 2025 release, Givenchy Gentleman's Society Ombre Eau de Parfum. So that video should have already been dropped by now. You can go check it out. Now, Bad Boy Elixir. So the scent profile of this one, they say it has sage, leather, cedarwood, and those are the official notes. That's what they officially released. I did test this out. I already filmed an unboxing video. First impressions, reactions, that's on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, IG Reels, and all that. So the bottle's pretty nice. Like, they stuck with that typical bottle, but here it has a hue. I'm not sure how it's showing up on camera, but this is see-through, and it almost goes from an interesting kind of orangey yellow down to an orange, then a black. Sprayer is classic, it's the typical, it's a really good sprayer. Yeah, so this scent profile, what I'll say first is, I'm very impressed with them not making something mass appealing. The first thing that hits your nose is leather. And it's not like a creamy suede, it's leather. It is definitely leather with this almost herby vibe of sage. Masculine, rugged, serious. Like it's a guy who's like, it's not a guy who's super playful. He's more like serious, kind of masculine, a little rugged. I don't think this is mass appealing at all. As far as compliments go and getting people to like it, when I was testing it out, I was purposefully asking people, hey, smell this on my skin, what do you think? No one really liked it. A couple, oh, that's interesting. No one really liked it. So it's not that mass appealing, and even from my own knowledge of fragrances, it's not mass appealing, but it's good quality. You have to give it that. After a few minutes, that vanilla wood comes up, but it's never overtaken the fragrance. It's never dominating. So this is not a sweet fragrance. It does not become a sweet fragrance. It becomes a creamy leather when it dries down with a touch of sweetness, and then still that herby sage at the top never leaves. So this is not for everyone. Now, how you would actually wear this fragrance, I think you should wear it on a night out, but not a date night. Unless your date night, you know, it's kind of like you're wearing the leather jacket, more of a rugged look. Maybe you can get away with this, but ultimately I think this is better suited for really, really cold weather if you're going out somewhere. So you're not indoors one-on-one, like a date night where you're watching a movie, do not wear this, right? Like that is not the vibe. It's like out and about, maybe dressed up a little more rugged, still looking nice, not bummy, but you know, a little more to it, a little more rough, a little more edgy. That's the vibe with this. So on my skin, the performance was actually phenomenal as far as lasting power. So the projection kind of stays about a foot and a half. So it's not loud, it's not annoying. You're not gonna spray it and someone across the room is gonna be like, ew, who smells like salty leather? It's not that vibe. And it lasts on your skin 8+ hours. So I was very happy with the performance of this fragrance. This fragrance had great performance as far as longevity is concerned. Projection, it could be better in my opinion. Like I said, it's just a foot, but there is benefits to people not smelling you across the room when you walk in. So okay performance as far as projection, fantastic performance as far as longevity. Retail prices, like I don't think you're gonna wanna pay retail prices for this. I think if anything, if you're interested, do check those discounters. Fragrance by Joma Shop, they are linked down below. They're heavily discounted typically from retail prices. They will ship to Canada. Both sites will ship fragrances to Canada. And then Joma Shop, of course, designer items in general and watches. Those are the ways I would actually go about getting this. So overall, very good quality, very unique scent profile, and they did a good job in the scent. I respect it, but it's not mass appealing and it's not for everyone. So it depends what you value. There's always people on the other side who say, all these designer releases are mass appealing, I want something different and good quality. Well, this is that fragrance that doesn't smell designer and mass appealing. It smells unique, even for leather. It's a unique scent profile. It is very good quality. It smells great. It smells like a good, high quality designer fragrance, so there's nothing cheap about it. It's just not for everyone. It's just not mass appealing. So I hope this video helped you out. Let me know your thoughts if you've tried this one. I don't think it's a must try, but if you see it in the store, if you're in a market or department store, go out of your way to try it. Give it a try, get your nose on it. You might like it. If you're looking for a leather fragrance in your collection, this is a phenomenal choice. Like Bad Boy Elixir is a phenomenal choice for a leather fragrance in your collection if you don't have any. Great job by Carolina Herrera doing something different. I respect that, and I'll see you guys in the next one.